Take a look at Lee, cut for minimal loss yesterday. Seeing this wild PA makes me want to vomit. Yeah, it should be, man. But dude, this thing is so. Sometimes there are like zones, like and granted, I mean, like we looked at Lee 3250, but this is technically a break. I mean, looking at key levels, you know, I see 3474, and then the highest is really 3660. I don't know how Lee is going to be moving up in this market because technically it's one of the few EVs that has. It's actually held up. I mean, if you look at it, it's still trading around December's highs. So when did that happen? You know, that delay on is crazy on TikTok. Nice, yeah, I DCA that. Alrighty, so it's 8:30. Let's go take a look at Meta, which did gap up right to my target, 162.50. As you can see right there, I'm already tracking it in pre-market. Looks like it's building a flag. Might see a pop at the bell and hit 164. That's going to be my TP mark, and I may take it short for a drop down. What I mean at this point, I mean we could go as low as 156. It's quad witching today. I'm going to repeat this a couple of times. Holy shit. Just had like 18 people in here. Now there's 500. Good morning, everybody. But anyway, today is quad witching. So that's something to consider as far as volatility is concerned. Even your setups. You think you see something, think again, because this is one of those days, just like FOMC, where you may think you see something and you might see some serious misdirection. But we did swing Meta. So those of you guys who are in Meta from TikTok or wherever, this was signaled yesterday around that 160.60, 161 mark. Now up at 162.50. Thinking we might see a push into the 164s. That would look like and kind of symbolize a double bottom. And then from there, we have a massive gap all the way to 170. So this one's on watch both to the up and the downside. And of course, pre-market data matters to me right now, and that is kind of bear flagging. So quad witching, basically contracts from across markets. And I have the somewhere. I pulled it up. It was just like the definition. But essentially, it just refers to the expiration date. Stock index futures, stock index options, single stock futures, and stock options all expiring on the same day. So you're going to see a lot of things rolling over. If you were smart, you would not play on quad witching day. Oh man, I'm dumb. I'm just kidding. I swung into today, and I actually have a eye appointment around 12 o'clock, so I will not be trading all day. And then today, or I'm actually going to be going on vacation this weekend. So, wow, they put Manny's face on there. That's hilarious. I don't understand a single thing. Yeah, I can tell when I'm on the For You page. Where can I find the chart above of all the companies? This is the heat map for TradingView. So you can hit the link in my bio. I'm about to actually. You know what? I think I should. You know what? I should do that. I should save myself future work right now. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put the damn heat map in the link in my bio. Never again. Can I log in? Is this your garage setup? No, this is not my garage. This is a living room. I don't know how that verified that, but my wood ceilings. Yeah, no problem. Just give me 1 second. You're going to see it pop up here in just a second. So I'm going to put stock heat map. This thing is taking forever to load, though. All right, there we go. Heat map. URL. All right. The link is in my bio. There you go. That's weird. All right. Doing leaps yet? Not yet. Wood ceilings must be nice to be rich. Wood ceilings, you can do that pretty cheap down here in the South, man. You don't have to be rich to do that, especially if you know how to do it yourself. What are you looking at, Daddy? Wow. So anyway, that was I got mad off topic, but Meta gap up. This one is on the fritz, so we have 3 taps off of resistance. I am expecting that first pump, and then from there, I'm probably just going to end up letting it go, especially given the day that we're stepping into. So, good morning, Potter. Good morning, Chino. Easy peasy. Look at Bidwhacker trading gold, making money before making money. You know what, man? I would just tell people if you want to get through this bear market, stop looking at your long-term holdings and just wait for the market to stop going down for like a month, and then go look at it. But that being said, I'm a proactive investor, so I don't let my assets just lose value. I'm going to find some way to hedge it. I'm going to find something that I can utilize, obviously with the options, covered calls, et cetera, et cetera. I can, take advantage of that. So swing for Amazon. Well, let me, Microsoft G, or I read that backwards. Oh no, I didn't. That messed my brain up for some reason, Budcraft. Because I know that yeah. It's supposed to say, gee, Microsoft gapped up today. Microsoft is, what do we got? I'll take a look at Amazon. Snob built man. I don't. Yeah, we don't do that. We don't disclose our net worth. You shouldn't either. What is the best tip for a guy who's never done trading ever in his life? Start slow, be patient, think long, delayed gratification. Most people have been lied to, and most individuals have been shown a lifestyle that is not associated directly with just options trading and is not usually started with a $500 to $1,000 account and then just straight to $1 million. A lot of people think that that's how you do it. Even people who take signals learn that it is not sustainable after a long time because you are your own human and eventually you are going to take over certain trades when you don't understand what's going on. So if you have that in mind and you're still willing to do it, then at that point because Lambos and all that other shit, like, yes, living, I live well above my means, but I don't want those things anyway. And I have no desire for luxury cars. If you do, that's fine. But it's just not realistic, and it's a bad image to have in your mind immediately. Looking at the stock market as a way for you to get it. That puts a ton of pressure on a new trader who is probably going to take a year and a half to get what he needs to be done. So, yeah, no problem. Spanglish Trades. Thanks, Brad. I've never seen it. Yeah, yeah. The link is in my bio if you want this. If you want this, hit the link in my bio right now. I'm just kidding. So Microsoft, do you guys remember the megaphone on the queues? So I think I might be right. Okay, not quite yet, but anywhere above 275.77, you could see some shorts uncovered. 280 is big. We are going to likely move to the upside big time. When I say big time, it's not really big time because we're still way the hell down here. And this would just be a simple retracement back up to that 280, 290 level. But that being said, we are still sitting on this daily support. So a gap fill to the downside and a push down to about 268.50. And we might see another leg down today, which would suck. But next week, I think we might fall a little bit more. So Amazon. So I actually have this one already charted. Thank you. Past me. So 1, 2, obviously you have a lot right here. We're going to count that as 3. So step out to your 4-hour time frame, and you'll notice that for me the magic number is 3 anytime. If you're going to sit and this is actually terrible looking, the amount of dojis just sitting on top of the support. But the magic number is 3. So either you head up from here and you go and you test your resistance, or you're consolidating for what looks to be a fall. Normally when you hit support, that's what you see. That's what you see, right? That's what you see. That's what you see. That's not really what you're seeing right now. So weakness is here, and we got a small gap up, and truthfully, small gaps up are bearish. They usually will cause that volatility to steamroll to the downside. On the 5-minute now, Amazon is, again, I would say 106.75. The gap fills. So there's a gap fill on Amazon to the upside. And it's sitting in this triangle, so it's likely, or this wedge, so it's likely to bounce up if it can. Hit that 106.90, hit 107, and then from there you can break to the upside and fill the rest of the gap to the upside at 109.50. That would symbolize a potential break to the upside, but I am, excuse me.
Despite Elon Musk's comments, Tango City Lima Alpha TSLA.
What did you just say, dude? What did he just say? All I heard was Elon, and they didn't mean it, or something like that. Oh, wow. Just looking at Facebook today, Chinese stocks are moving, so you might see some movement from Baba. Tesla lays off more employees and hourly ones this time despite Elon Musk's comments. Well, Wall Street likes that kind of shit, so. Yeah, Tesla gets to, I will buy a Tesla at, it's going to get to the point where people are like, they're going to feel like their investments are never going to recover. And 400 to 500 is like pain. And I believe that that's where Tesla could rebound. I mean, you go look at any pullback on any sector, you know, through the passing of time, you know, especially if they're solid companies, you know, they would retain or hold that point of control on that higher time frame where most of that volume is sitting. So, and it mirrors most S&P stocks and their institutional reloading zones. So, yeah, I think DCA around 550 is okay for me. So for sure. When Harry Potter finds out there are no more movies and starts day trading. There you go. Wait, when's Pal speaking? Pal speaking right now? Employee wrote a letter and circulated it complaining about his public behavior, and he fired them and anyone involved. If you don't like it, I guess leave is his thing. Is that his 8:45 Eastern time? Pal. Let me go take a look. Does anybody have a link for that? Papa? Where's the live at? Okay, remarks by Chair Powell at the inaugural conference of the international rules of the U.S. dollar. I should have got out 2 months ago. Dumbledore set this up. Oh, don't say shit. Look at the walls. It just looks like hell in there. This is delayed. Oh God, I'm not gonna watch this. All right, well, she's explaining what they're doing really quickly before she gets done doing that. I just want to go over some headlines that we're gonna be. How can I make a flip? Be patient, my guy. Patience pays today, especially with the way that the market's situated. We're definitely going to be having to exercise caution today. So, all right, Wall Street futures and what the hell am I talking about? European stocks edged higher, but they were set for sharp weekly losses. as a slew of interest rates hike from major central banks, fueled by worries about a sharp economic slowdown in Asian equity markets. Japan's Nikkei index posted its biggest weekly drop in more than 2 years, even as the Bank of Japan maintained its massive stimulus and provided no negative surprises. Meanwhile, Chinese shares ended higher as investors began to see Beijing's dovish monetary policy supported by battered stocks. Gold prices fell, dented by a stronger dollar, and oil prices rose, supported by supply tightness. I don't want to. So really quickly, U.S. banking stress indicator could worsen after Fed hike. An indicator of credit risk in the banking system may be showing signs of stress as the Federal Reserve's aggressive rate hike patch rackets up expectations on the economic plan. Wow, India's Reliance considered buying out Revlon in the United States. Interesting. That's something to keep in mind.
Some comments from Chair Powell.
Yeah, this has got to be delayed.
Powell stated that
All right, I'm just going to listen to this. Like with death, tag them. Tag them. I got flavors.
said that Fed CBDC will be thinking of how the global financial system will evolve over the next decade.
Morning, everybody.
Says Fed is acutely focused on returning inflation to its 2% goal. Says that Fed's strong commitment to price stability contributes to widespread confidence in the U.S. dollar.
You guys don't want to let me your thumbs, tap the screen.
Those from Fed Chair Powell.
Video game players calling on you. All right, pal. Buddy old pal. All right, I'm just going to pay attention to the headlines coming out of Benzinga right now. Other than that, everybody, the... God damn it. Hold on. Ooh.
Still up 0.5% for pre-market session.
Yeah, chill out, man. All right, buddy. Oh, look at that. It's almost like it was planned. Ah, man, that sucks. Oh well. We're still up, but damn. I was hoping to hold that high. Why you gotta talk so early, pal? Futures are green? Yes, they are. For now. One second. That's not the vibes. I tell you what, man. Quad witching and pulling back down to support. I'm honestly, I just wish today would be over already. I mean, I have things to do, obviously, but like, I kind of just wish today was over already as far as trading is concerned, because I feel like today is going to be wild. And I don't necessarily mean like directional, I hope, but we're basically range bound at the moment. And if quad witching, if you're a scalper, you could have a lot of fun today. But for traders like myself, who are looking for trend trading, looking for a change in trend, being able to take a position targeted from, a higher high or whatever, and then take it lower, something like that, rather than dealing with this. And so that's kind of what I was trying to double down on yesterday, is giving people perspective. Anytime you move anywhere, you're going to consolidate. So there's a lot of key levels here, like 162.80 and 164. If it's broken, then we can talk shop. But at the moment, things are looking rough. Yes, I am trading. Elon is just Kim Kardashian for men. Oh my God, that's the truest thing I've ever heard in my life. Can I look at BABA? Yeah, I'll look at BABA in just a moment. So again, indicators on my chart really quickly. We've got volume with a volume moving average on top of it. I've got the EMA systems 20, 50, and 200. I've got a whole suite ribbon right there by Insilico. I'm going to put that in the link in my bio as well. 9-day moving average, pivot points, volume profile. I've got the TTM squeeze and the RSI. And that's it. I don't use them all at once. And you do not rely on them. I don't rely on them.
Also, how the global financial system might evolve in the next 5 to 10 years. Prepare for introduction.
I'll stop talking. All right. So anyway, Meta is on the watch list, and I'm probably gonna rude.
For children, 6 months of age. FDA, the Pfizer prior discussion to vaccine, the FDA recommended.
All right. All right. So really quickly, if you're looking at BABA, the top of this supply zone above you, right there, that's where you rejected. That's where you pulled back from. And then right now you have re-entered that zone. So it would be imperative if you want to go back down to lose the 109 and 108 levels. This downtrend is obviously irrelevant at the moment, and this could play out still as a double top if you can lose that. Otherwise, this point of control, which is 115.50, that would mark a break to the upside, in my opinion. If you do end up hitting this resistance for a third time of 120 and you reject, I believe that Bobble is going to dump its guts out. So what's the sentiment for today? Quad witching. That's the sentiment. I know a lot of people who are not trading. I know a lot of people who are not trading. And just because I'm here right now doesn't mean you have to as well. I'm in a swing and I'm looking to manage the swing. If we see the volatility that we need, I have an eye appointment just in case nobody heard from this morning. I have an eye appointment at 12, so like I'm trying to obviously be done and out of here, especially if there's no movement, and that's plenty of time. Usually by 10:30, 11 o'clock, it's pretty clear to me that we're not going to be making a move in either direction. And again, knowing where you're at on the chart, we are at the bottom. We are at every stock that I can. Almost all of them are up against support. The only ones that are up against resistance are EVs, like Rivian and stuff like that, and Lucid and Lee. Which Lee, I need to figure out what the hell's going on with that. I'm about to dig deep into that one because I'm really puzzled as to why that stock is still holding COVID highs and beyond. But did he just say the financial system may fall in the next 10 years? Okay. FDA authorizes Moderna and Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccines for children down to 6 months of age. So watch those stocks. Do you trade the Nasdaq? First time here. Shout out. Oh, what's up, Uncle Marv? Yes, I do like to focus on individual names, and right here on this heat map, the link is in my bio if you want it. You can actually put up relative volume, volatility, and as well as just obviously performance within the hour, so you can see which one is the strongest. But I like Facebook and Microsoft out of the Nasdaq, just as far as the contracts move. I'm not much for using the Qs for anything other than just hedging. So. I drove around his electric car. My cabin in the middle was high speed, and he delivered it. Oh my God, what are you talking about? Yes, I am live in our Discord. Yes, but the Discord does it. What? Get down, Siri. Why are you drinking beer this early? This is not beer. It's water. I'm drinking water from the Alps. Tag liquid death. All right. Oh my God. Yeah, I'll take a look at some stocks here. It is 8:58. I just want to brush up on Meta really quickly one more time now that pretty much everybody is here. Take a look at this hourly. All right. Let the chart, let the trade come to you. This is not the day. You can take my warning or you can learn for yourself. This is not the day to be bold and pick a direction. We are at support, and I'm not even going to swing into next week. I may pay attention to some flow, but I'm telling y'all right now that there's actually a chart that was posted last night, and I'll post it here. It was actually posted by one of our members, but hold on one second. It was interesting. Hold on a second. Where did it go? Hey, what's up? So check this out, guys. Copy. Copy. So this is a chart. 2008 before the crash, and then 2020 before the crash. Now, I'm not fear mongering, okay, at all. I'm not trying to influence you to do anything. There is just repeated patterns here. It's interesting to look at. Does it mean that it's going to happen the same way? No, it doesn't, but it doesn't look good at all. So that being said, I am on my toes as far as picking a direction and going long on a 3-day weekend is not happening. So, Asana, what do you got going on this morning, dude?
On charts, I mean,
Some charts.
and I said, I was like, how ironic if they got this up tomorrow. That's exactly what they did.
Yep.
So it's, the same thing we said. The charts look good for rejection today. If they would have got this down, the odds of them squeezing us up would have been higher. They got us up. Let's see. There's actually 35,000, 3,700 puts expiring right at the bell. So that's yeah, they're expiring at the money, dude.
Damn, bro. That's nuts.
That's
That's a lot, dude. Wow. Liquidated. Oh my God. I have to adjust Atlas's.
Let's not get into that topic. But I think today is simply one of those. The best, in my opinion, the best thing to do today is just wait for the volatility to start settling, because the first 30 is going to be a mess. That's for sure. So it's if you don't want to get caught in that mess, just wait. If it bleeds out, if it gets directional right before, like during those 30 minutes, don't FOMO. Remember, if there's continuation, price will continue. If there's chop, by that time you will know and you will make the right decision to either walk over your stake.
That's it. Gold is dead. Pump peaches. Yes, it's dead. It's just so dead. Don't tell that to Manny, because that man revives it and then kills it every day. I don't know. So real quick, Asana, whoever asked me about that one did break downtrend with like it just didn't do anything at all. So this thing is actually sitting around 17 or 1611. If it goes any lower, I would say 1550. This thing's probably going to head to the gulag. But up above 1970, you can talk about a recovery. So is Revlon good if you want to look pretty? Yeah, that's it. I'll look at Amazon. Oh my God, BT. Yeah, Amazon looks crazy. It's like literally now like just in a box right here. And the median on that box is right here. So now I want to go because Amazon actually has a decent setup. Decent. It is sitting at support. It doesn't get any clearer than that. I would watch for a fake out, around 101. But essentially, I'm not going to say at the bell, but 105, there's a gap fill on Amazon all the way to 107.19. This is the hourly time frame setup. I'm going to post this in the Discord because I know there's Amazon people in there. So that's the hourly, right? So if you fill that gap, you also have a micro, just a little bit of this gap here, the upside 109.65 and 110.50. It's a psychological number, and it's also the median in this channel right here. So anywhere above that, you can start talking about retest of 115, but that's it.
I can hold this level. I'm going to take it short to 364.
I just wants the total collapse of the U.S.
Forward it. Look, bro, all I want. Well, my retirement account, I went full cash like back in March or April. No, I'm sorry, March or February is when I went full cash on that account. I've never went full cash on that account, ever. But I went full cash on that account. And I just want SPY down to like 320 so I can, resupply my retirement account.
If you guys don't mind, your thumbs tap the screen.
Bro, I'm just trying to get
Thank you. 4K likes already. That's what's up.
Bro, BT, I screamed in the chat multiple times. I'm liquidating all my long positions. Y'all know I did.
I in my videos, because I actually sold earlier, but I sold like it's still pumped for like 3 weeks. No, a month. I had to I went and started getting into cash, and everything kept ripping. And I actually had a moment where I was like, did I fuck up? Like, did I fuck up? And then when it started dumping, I was like, oh God.
Like some of that shares and ETFs that I owned, and it popped like for 10-15 bucks on the S&P, and I was like, dang, screwed.
We could all buy. If we can all band together and start buying up the Twitter float, yeah, no, we could rug pull Elon as soon as he gets just. I don't know.
Plug and stuff.
Plug. I could go to their facility. I'm close.
Tell them that you need an exit pump.
I am in Facebook, yes. So today, and guys, you can choose to take the market personally, and I worded this before. Like a lot of people will show up like this is a feeding trough, but that's not how this works. You end up giving food back because if it's not there. And the beautiful thing is we do have clear levels. Anything that happens in between, so Facebook above 162.65, there's a good chance we might see that 164 pump. But we are literally sitting on top of support. We could go and tap 158.77 and then rebound. Actually, that's kind of what I'm anticipating here at the moment. But yeah, the holdup is not, we're not holding up well. In fact, that gap up is now gone. All of the gap up. So now the Facebook play that was tasty is now just back to zero. So we're going to be making an assessment at the bell on whether or not I'm probably going to, so that's exactly why we held Q puts. So we weren't going into something obviously naked. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Oh, dude, Lee Auto, man, I had to get out of that one because it just is the. I don't understand. I actually have to go. I really want to go and dig into what the hell is going on with that stock, because the fact that it's still one of the few stocks that's holding up COVID highs. What? It's an EV in China. I want to short it so bad. My spidey sense is tingling. Um, oh my God. You all right, dude? Damn, dude. Got to quit snorting pollen.
Dude, I need some good honey from Savannah. Will you mail me some?
Yeah, I got you. I have a couple on hand. Cool. You need palmetto. Hey, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Those of you guys just tapping on. Thank you for the 7K likes on TikTok. You know, if your life flashes before your eyes, I'm gonna get to hear all the times I said that. Sorry. Thanks for all the likes, guys. No, I do appreciate it though. So really quickly, I just want to just reiterate on, and I'm going to go back down to regular trading hours. So this one has what appears and still is holding this wedge. Okay, it's held its bottom. So if we fall, I'm not immediately going to take it short. It does have a pullback again. I don't know what the hell just happened to my chart.
Yo, when did 5 premiums get so expensive?
When everybody and their mother started playing them. No, she probably. So again, those of you guys just hopping on, we are literally at support. I do not short support. Therefore, I will not be taking a short position on Meta. It could hit 158.40. I know I'm boring, but I can't. It's just not for me. I'm not doing it. Nope. That's a Manny trade, not a. That's not. No, you're just faster and quicker and better and more handsomer, dude. Come on. Potter sponsored by Liquid Death. I'm trying to. That and Scrub Daddy. It's a sponge.
I actually got a 24 pack of Liquid Death yesterday.
Nice. Yeah.
I like that stuff. It's solid.
God damn, ow, Joseph. Ouch. I haven't heard it from you in months. This man just busted in like the Kool-Aid man. Hey, you're not that ugly.
Oh yeah.
Scrub Daddy. What do you mean by that? All right, there's too much. All right, there's too much out of context here. So you know, just for context. Oh, they made this even worse. There you go. Okay, these are real sponges. Now they have the scrub mommy. They have a scrub puppy and a scrub.
Beat her.
Whoa! All right, boot him.
Dude, look at all these bids coming in, bro. They're getting real nasty.
Hey guys, how do I find the live? Are you in the premium side? Or which side are you in?
Does this algorithm have like a mental issue? Why is he bidding 10,000 shares on 365.60?
Oh my God, why is the domain on TikTok so bad?
Holy shit, he got 4,000 shares filled. No way.
Yo, TikTok, I would highly recommend going over to YouTube where the latency is actually lower. The link is in my bio for that. No, you can change it. You can change it to low latency. You have to have a. You can't have your Wi-Fi. I'm just kidding.
Shots fired.
You can't have that mountain Wi-Fi, that Rocky Mountain stream Wi-Fi.
Dude, that thing went.
Typical. Did you have to? Oh my God, I gotta keep that one to myself. Oh, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you that one later. That was a good one.
Oh, that guy fully loaded in. That dude, like, look, this was the first screenshot. He already fully loaded.
Dude, Tesla's falling pretty bad. Dude, what?
But man, that was his
first fill when they fill apart. So this is what I mean by reload. Buyers or sellers, right? They're not gonna you're not just gonna fill 10,000 shares of SPY at a market order, especially in pre-market. You're gonna trigger every algo to come right after you, right? So you have to. They're called reloads, buyers or sellers, right? They basically spook the algos, but the algos they get spooked by themselves again. They drive it down again, and they keep filling his order. It's SPY right now, right? Even if he taxes only 20 cents, he's in profits right now. If that guy was buying or whatever it was, which I'm pretty sure he was, because when you bid, you're buying. So at the end, that is what happens. So when you see these guys with big orders on the tape, on the apps, right, and the stock is rising and rejecting, those are reload sellers, right? And every time it goes back and rejects, his orders are getting filled and filled. So at some point, the move is just straight down, right? Everybody got that?
Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Might see a double bottom on Tesla. If you do, I mean, when you see a double bottom, it'd probably be a bounce around like 660. I wouldn't go banking on something like that yet. You could also see Tesla. Oh man, you guys aren't gonna like this, but I could see it down to 580 today. If we were to dump. Sorry.
God.
No, bro, let it down. Suck your mind shares. Let Tesla down to 300.
Yeah, thanks.
Not even that.
Thank you guys for tapping the screen. I appreciate it.
Own one share of Tesla.
I used to. I sold on the way for shares.
Today could also. I'm going.
Look at SPY, 366. It's
I'm
moving up. It's really easy. 40 cents.
Do you think, hey Manny, do you think that I should go short Tesla before I go pick up the Tesla today at 12?
Read that. You gotta tell like
No, just kidding. Huh? Yeah, I'm taking the Tesla. Shut up. Oh, no, I'm not. It's a million miles, all right?
no, it's 200 something.
No, it's a 2020. It's a 2021. That shit's got range. That's fine. I guess I get to eat more. So this doesn't sound bad to me. Nah, Tesla does it for you, and I'm not going to be driving. It is. I was kidding. My life is in your hands, Elon. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Why does that look like possibly Manny's dad? Like his uncle.
No, not even close, dude.
No?
If it was in here, maybe, yeah, when I was younger, but they still have a mustache in Cuba.
I wish I could grow a mustache.
Just like it is.
When
Sorry, keep spying. Look at that.
Yo.
63.
Sometimes I get these comments on TikTok, and I don't understand like where it came from. Someone just said, "When open the door." What? Chinese spouse. Go God. They're asking me to open the door, my door. Yeah, it's TikTok.
That was the nice move on spy just off the tape. So if you guys doubt level 2, well, that should have been reason for you to learn it even more.
Where's Bitcoin?
Yeah, you're right, Johnny. There is no hockey.
Oh shit, Bitcoin does look like.
Got it down to like a science.
Damn, Bitcoin does look like it wants to dump, dude. Yo, Bitcoin's gonna hit 2020. Oh man, yeah, it's about to go slam it up.
It's about to be up like a whole ass 10 racks, dude.
Who is?
That guy, whoever bought spy into that bid. Yeah, he's legit. I want to be up 10 racks. He'll probably sell at 367, I'm sure.
Yeah, damn. I always just have a bunch of like once I buy something, I create the sell order automatically, and then I have my finger just waiting on the trigger.
I don't. I go to the bathroom, and then when I come back, I see what money I got. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I just have like a bunch of buttons that say how much I want to buy or sell, and I just have it. And then you hear the guy say, "Oh yeah,"
Oh yeah.
and if it doesn't go through, you hear the guy say, "Oh no."
Yeah, damn. I agree. The fills on Fidelity are pretty on point.
Because I use them and they work for me. Gold Mung Sacks. I don't know what your name is. Potter, thoughts on Revlon? You're gonna like the way you look. Never mind, that's the other company. It's possibly gonna get bought out by that company in India, which caused it to gap up. There's really when shit like this happens, you know, like I don't look at technicals. You know, I'm looking at price action. I'm watching the tape. You know, especially if it's screaming to the upside. The only downtrend that I have on Revlon is right here. I got a strong just 320. Watch $4. That's supply retest. $4, and then 5 would be a break. But
Wow, dude! Wow, that dude actually just made 10 racks.
nice.
Great.
Yeah, right. You make 10 racks and then want to go ahead and call it a day before the market even
Bro,
opens.
I ordered 5 spy, and I just dumped it for 10K profit. I would not trade right now.
Why do I feel like there's a ton of red box holders? I'm getting a lot of people are.
Yeah.
Yeah, you bet.
Wow, but shit, it's an easy 10 grand. Bro, trade with heavy shares that.
Yeah, but they don't. I don't know if they those 3.6 in the one trade though.
Yeah.
Neither guy or them either.
Interactive brokers. Fire. Those.
Maybe 3, 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do that value?
Dude, that was so much fun. I'll never forget trading. That was so much fun because things would be struggling to the downside. And I'd be like, "Damn, short it." She didn't actually. She can't move it like that, but like, yeah.
Good summer.
That was a good summer. It was a hot boy penny summer.
Really, if you're having, really, it says you're unmuted, right? But I think it's just your connections. Go to the little gear icon next to the headphones to user settings, and go to voice and video and make sure that the input is the mic that you're using. It could be that because it says you're not muted. They also need subscriptions.
Is quad witching a good or a bad thing for today?
Horrible.
Worst.
Make sure that your input is the mic that you're gonna use, Broly.
Oh shit. Shit buzzing.
Man, yeah, you're gonna move on the Tesla train. Why do you guys just assume that I am the only Tesla? I don't know how to trade Tesla.
Oh my god. And you're 16. And you're 16. What? Wait, what'd you say? Sorry. Oh. I was talking about Tesla. I think it's 55. You are someone called you a Tesla lizard. Wizard. Oh, they meant wizard.
So if you're trading, Tesla, you're routing your option orders into the Nasdaq.
Sometimes depends on what's going on. Typically, I'm routing my orders on pennies. That's where I'm routing orders.
Oh, okay. Because Trade Station I can also route, but I have it to Intelligent. I never like set the routing direct.
Yeah, I'm not sure what spot I put that. I'm not sure. I'd be honest with you guys, 100%. I don't even like trading on days like this. I like trading when there's like a lack after. Like I like the aftermath. Like, you know, once because like I said, I don't short support. So if stocks go down today, you guys can count me out. I'm not. You know, Facebook goes to maybe 158. I mean, we would have to hellaciously dump, like hard. And if anything, if that's the case, I might take Tesla for a quick scalp. So, oh my God, I just got an alert for Chivalry. Remember that game? I
Oh, so
I might have to hop on Chivalry.
no.
Not like when we get back. Yeah, I might have.
I didn't ring.
He said, "Shut up."
He's like literally or like play.
En español, por favor. No español. Muy gringo. Sorry.
Also, just replace that one also. I can save it in my archives.
What? Oh. What? Oh yeah. Steve Maria Villas. I don't know. It's Hillary Clinton. Oh, chill bitten. All right, guys, getting close to the bell. So, quick recap. By the way, it looks like Red Box is going to dump. I think Rolly's got puts on that one, but you might see one more pop up 1330 for a little liquidity hunt. Maybe even higher, actually. Hold on. So, gap fill. Watch the gap fill 1392. I would short it there if it does show a rejection. So, show me your indicators. Show me your indicators. I'm just kidding. Volume, EMA, whole ribbon indicator, 9-day moving average, pivot points. I do use I don't use those very often, but volume profile, VWAP, 500 HMA, and you can. My indicators are in our Discord channel, so if you hit the link in my bio, you can go and see all that.
Love it.
Oh my God! Oh, Mac's good at that. Why are your eyes?
Sushi. Where is sushi?
Yeah, we need it.
I think he's in Japan, bro.
Yeah. No, I thought he went to France. That was like I think he said he wasn't going back because they were the lockdowns, right? Oh, I guess they.
Oh, you like half a year ago.
He moved.
You like
He's been friends.
yeah. You're way too back.
I don't know.
I was gonna try to meet him when I was in Europe, but we didn't have time.
I'll probably be there also for Florida's DJ. So I was gonna get regular tickets and the underpasses are at the same price as like 2 day tickets. I just bought the underpasses again. That was
I'm just, you know what? Fine. Today, I'm just gonna hit whatever hotkey my finger lands on. By 10, by 20, who knows? No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. I'm just, that was a joke.
what days of December are you going though? Yeah, it comes with a free ticket.
Okay, so here's the deal with Baba. It needs to get back down below 109. It needs to re-lose that support 108.30. Real quick, if you guys are on TikTok, the delay is kind of weird today. So if you guys want to hop on the YouTube channel, the link is in the bio. It's actually less of a delay. But yeah, Baba's in that supply zone as of right now. It could go up first and tap that 115.50. Above that, then you're likely going to go for a resistance tap. Below that, again, I mean, you have pretty easy to read levels here on this one as far as what will happen. And then, of course, you know, paying attention to volume. But right there on Baba, this is the channel that you're within or the levels that you're going to be trading within. Question, what kind of bear is the best? Me.
Polar bear,
Black bear.
grizzly bear.
I'm non-biased bear. That's a great answer. That's a great answer.
Bipartisan bear. Wow. Coca-Cola bear. I don't know why.
Why?
Yeah, you
I
couldn't.
was shorting first. I'll take my money market weaker.
Okay, so if you're in meta, really quickly, a few minutes. If you have calls, they're probably going to be worth zero. You might have lost $10, something like that on them. Here's the deal. If it moves down to support and drops any lower, I would say 160.50, 160.60 in this range. I'll go ahead and let you guys know when I cut. The Q puts stay. Okay, those are hedges for a reason. You can, if you want, use those Q puts down too. If you're willing to hold it, I'm not. I already took one and had to hedge it again. So this one, it's either 160.50, we bounce and we make our way up to 162.50 and then 164, or I'm out. So.
All right, we got a minute. So the show commences. Guys, but for real, today is not the day for risk. Today is not the day for ignorance. Today is the day where if you have never traded quad witching before, and this is not regular open, this is quad witching. A lot of shit expires today. If you have never traded one, just sit back and watch. Yes, the VA chart looks interesting, but I am not putting myself through that psychological torture again. I hate that stock. I don't know why I own it. It's mostly because of the US government. I hate that stock. I promise you, I'm never trading that stock again in my life. No, not Tesla. I will kill for Tesla.
Premium.
VA.
So if you can't see it, you need to go through the trial. And if you don't want to join, we'll do the trial.
No, DR is August figure. The beginning of August.
If you just want to check it out, through our website.
All right, good luck, guys. So VNA. No, I'm not stopping Tesla. I'm gonna wait out the first 30.
All right.
All right, we're heading up.
Market's open.
Nice. Okay, go tap that 162.50.
Tesla.
Okay, I'll take that. Very nice. Okay. All right, we're up against resistance 163. I'm cutting the puts. I'm probably going to cut the calls too. All right. All right, I cut the puts. If we flush back down or get underneath this point of control, that was a nice hold. The volume's good. But right now, this level that you're seeing, 162.50, that's what we're going to need to hold on this 5-minute candle close. Well, now you tell me today's not a day for ignorance. Yeah, I have meta.
Replaying 367.21.
Look at guys, look at oh, hot dog. Guys, look at the cues. Remember the setup on the cues? Look at that thing. The megaphone.
I can't imagine how bad.
If you're in Facebook right now, we just tapped into the 163.35. This is not a terrible place. If you have multiples, if you have light positions, you can sit and negotiate a little bit longer. But I do not want to close this candle underneath 162.50. If we do, I'll go ahead and cut the swing or take profit on the swing. We'll still be green. I don't like the gap underneath meta. No, that gap could get filled. Trying to see where we're at. I'm the Lizard King. All right, man. 164. I'm trying not to be greedy here, but we just crossed above that. Look at that hourly candle close, or look at the hourly candle right now above that 915 up against the 58. 50 EMA, that's 136. I see sellers on the table a little bit. Out with 40 contract. Dude, damn, dude. He just scalped Meta with 40 contracts? Jesus. Nice job, man. So a retest is fine. Again, due to the conditions, if you're happy with your money, you're fine. The Qs look like they're doing well. Holding up, look like they're going to go ahead and hit 274.73. Past that, you've got the beginning of the gap fill at 276.14. So 1 minute and 23 seconds for these 5-minute candles to close. So far, buyers are holding that level up. Man, don't do it. I wonder if we dump. Yeah, there's a lot of. Just watching the Qs. Qs look okay. Point of control, 275.70. Next leg up for Meta is 163.85. There it is. Damn. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We swung Facebook as well. So took out the hedge, and now I'm just watching QQQ at the moment. Microsoft. Oh yeah, remember that one has a gap fill up to 150, 160. That one looks good. If it just needs to cross here, we need to get the Qs all the way up. All right, 5-minute candle close, 10 seconds here. Come on, don't. That's 50%. There you go. Hold that up. Qs are still holding up. What is that? Is that futures?
It is the even.
I'm not even looking at the contract premiums right now. I'm just trying to watch. Right now, I am watching the 3-minute time frame on Meta, and the 3 on the Qs. I'm just running them side by side as they run into these resistances. As you can see, Meta is struggling, so I'm trying to obviously see how it's going to close in about 4 seconds. This 5-minute candle. We want to hold right here. That's better than nothing. I don't like that wick right there. That wick shows me that there's a possible, and I drew this out, that if we could just all the way back down to 158. So just gonna wait and watch. You do not want to be wrong for long today. Cut things quickly and watch your spreads. It's good advice, and I'm trying to exercise. Yeah, man, I see a rejection here, guys. I'm gonna take profit under that wick, so 162.25. I'm pulling this contract up right now, guys, because obviously I see what I see. I'm not going to doubt myself. So if candle closes below 162.50, then I'm going to go ahead and do what I got to do. I can always re-enter if volume or the trajectory picks back up. I'm not going to hope. I'm going to in fact, I have still not looked at my contract. I'm staring at this chart. What are my thoughts for Neo? I don't understand how it's going up, but right now it's got a gap fill down to 1925. So, guys, don't be surprised if this happens fast. If it wicks down, so if you are happy with your Facebook profits, go ahead and take your profits if you're happy with them, or trim out, reduce risk if you have multiple contracts. That's what you do in areas of indecision. If things are flirting with your stop loss and you're not feeling good about the trajectory. So why did I long? No, this is not alcohol, y'all. This is sparkling water. God, I'm not drinking already. I don't see it going any other way. I almost, you know what I want to do right now? I almost want to grab a put for June 21st. Or excuse me. Oh my God, those premiums on the Qs were expensive. Yeah, I'm looking at the 157, excuse me, the 155 puts for June 24th. I kind of want to grab one. All right, y'all. I said it was going to do. I'm going to go ahead and cut it now. All right, that's it. So if you didn't get a lot, it is what it is. If this thing ends up popping back up to again, I'm not willing to hold it through this right now. This is not good for continuation of the upside. Big wick up to 164, just like we talked about. Just wasn't a lot of time. So everything is playing out at the moment. I might grab this put right now, 155 put. I'll go ahead and grab one. June 24th, 155. Not much heat to the downside, guys. Look at the volume. So I mean, any pop back up to the upside, you know. Again, same thing. Exercising good risk here. But I kind of think that we're about to see a engulfment here. 9-day moving average is sitting at the point of control, 160, 150. That's the first place. And then the gap fills at 161. How did you lose money on Medicalls? And why are you putting 50% of your account into things? Neo is moving up. That is crazy to me. Again, today's gonna be interesting. It's quad witching. I think somebody asked me this morning, are you excited about the open? And I was like, nope, I'm not. All right, Qs are building back up. What's the gap on Meta? The gap is 160, but right now we're building back up. The Qs are holding. So even though people are pushing down, and listen, look at the candles right here. If they push it back up, this short, right, this pull, they're gonna cover, and you're gonna see this thing pop and move past that mark. So I'll cut as it moves up and makes a higher high. So right now I'm okay. I'm not gonna rely on a 3-minute candle, but yeah, Chinese EVs I don't understand. Kind of bewildering at this point. So. All right. That's about 40 bucks right there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give my 40 bucks to the market makers and cut this contract. And yep. That's that quad witching energy right there. Nope, I don't see anything. The Qs are moving up pretty strong, and they're going to move up, and looks like they're going to hit 275.88. All right, damn. All right, guys, I went ahead. I'm gonna wait now. I'm gonna move over to the 15. We'll wait for this 15-minute candle to close, but I'm out. I just cut. It was 210, so I've got those contracts at 255. So just a little scrape. Sorry about that, TikTok. So just a little bit of a scrape there. We'll wait and see what the next move is. Well, I'm keeping it light. Manny, I hate quad witching. Yes, I do. Yeah, I don't mind. I mean, it is what it is. Watch me make it back. 164.33 is the beginning of the gap fill for Meta, and then 166.27. The 9-day moving averages and everything are lagging at the moment.
Wow, it's bouncing, guys. Anybody caught that?
Holy fuck, the Qs are squeezing, dude. And that's causing these individual names to obviously move back up. Look at that. They're gonna wick fill Meta, possibly. So past 164, gap fill starts 165. The median on that gap is 167. No, I'm not drinking, dude. Liquid. People think I'm drinking beer right now. No, I'm not gonna. It's annoying. This type. I think most days that I play quad witching, it's annoying. I mean, look at the queues and look at Facebook, like side by side. You know, these are not moving the same. So let us pray. I'm greedy to get today. We'll stop that. I called this bound. I mean, it doesn't matter what I said, but oh shit, I was right about Amazon. 107.22 gap fill. So I called for the Qs to come out of this megaphone. I mean, at this point, I'm starting to think they will. This could happen today, which would be kind of insane. That's a $10 move on the Qs. But could be that squeeze energy. The gap fills at 282.50. We've got a good start to the day. We're up against the gap fill. And as we break into that gap, the first level is going to be that 278.60. It doesn't look like the Qs are ready to stop. Yeah, this rising, this broadening megaphone right here. Look at that. And then look at Meta, not moving with. That was a good cut. That was a good cut. I'm happy with the cut on Meta, y'all, because this is the exact type of price action I'm not going to be a part of until it breaks. And you can see the 200-day moving average until we get a solid break there with decent volume, which is completely dropped off the map. Take a look. So we went from first 5 minutes, 291,000 shares traded at the bell, and then the next setup, 27 or shares traded, and then we have 27,000 or 273,000 shares traded the next candle. So you lost $100 on AMD, or gonna take my money and call it a day? I can't tell the little dash. Yeah, Meta is struggling. Amazon, what's Amazon doing? Fuck, man, I should have gotten Amazon, I guess, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. If anybody did take Amazon off of that, that's money, dude. Oh, you made $100. Okay, cool. Yeah, awesome. If you're walking away with even just $100 today, that's a good day on a quad witching day. So loading up on Wheezy. Why? What's your thoughts on that? Because Spy's got the same setup the Qs do. Exact same setup. Not saying that it's not like valid, but oh shit, look at Meta now. Look at it. I'm not taking it. Yeah, if you're in, you're in. That's fine. If it loses this 160, 190, that's okay. So there, now you're underneath the 9. Let's go look at the 5. Yeah, you're probably gonna go gap fill now. I saw that rejection coming, man, but I don't flirt around with my stop losses. So if you're in meta puts and you held, don't do that again. But you're okay right now. AMC making a new high of $12.65. You guys are about they're about to find out what quad witching. Look at that. Oh, I'm not in. Yeah, man, look at this. Look at it. Oh my god, dude. They are not playing games today, Manny. Look at this. Let me show you what. Let me show you this. Dude, oh, look at Facebook. Look at that. Where you get in? There's nothing there. Nothing there. So good judgment call. I'll pay $50 to not participate, and then we'll take it if it goes past 164. And I honestly, I'm not. If you guys are in the downside and you get this gap, sweet. Baba's losing ground. Amazon looks like it wants the rest of its gap. It may go pull back a little bit, but that one seems like it's holding up really well. No, I do not always trade in the 3 minute. So I already am well aware of what meta looks like on the hourly, et cetera, et cetera. So these are, setups that I've already kind of built. And then today, charting. So I'm well aware of what the higher time frame, all the way to the daily looks like. And then that makes it a little less stressful to be looking at those lower time frames because I'm trying to see, obviously what price action is doing. At these levels. Yeah, so not participating is a play. Until it doesn't mean that the market's done, doesn't mean that Facebook's over with, but it probably means that you need to have a little bit of patience. I really wish that I would have. Man, what is Amazon? Yeah, I do think it's going to go for the gap. I mean, at the moment, yes, it's yes. I think Amazon's going to squeeze into that gap. Look at SPY. So if you're in Amazon, I mean,
Somebody 3.6 or 350 and bounce with me. Oh,
Hey, bro.
so you did at night.
Yeah.
I was never sweating that one.
I actually got back in on that red candle.
I was debating adding 20 more, but no point.
risk management doesn't look that cool.
And I would have added 20 more had it bounced. It did take down again. 367.50.
So those of you who are new, or maybe been doing this for a year or two, how often do you see that? I mean, that's the 3 minute, mind you. Like that height of a consolidate, like that is rough. So let that thing break.
Listen, if it doesn't break here, I'm gonna probably dump it. So many restarts.
Dude, the Qs are going for it.
They need one more retest before I can make that call.
There we go. Nice. Oh my god.
My price target for Meta next week, yeah, I don't, I'm not guessing on what's going to happen over a 3 day weekend. We're a mess right now. We are a mess. I mean, this price action is a mess. So I mean, the Qs that major ETFs are doing well. Thought about pulling the trigger on a scalp on the Qs, but I'm going to refrain until.
Yeah.
So when I scalp, I fill the ass, and I sell the bid. That's the quickest way to fill without market orders. That's how you fill quick on limits. When you hear me say I don't like the spread, it's because if I enter, I want to be down even more when I sell the bid.
Oh my God.
If I have a $30 spread and I have 10 contracts, that's a $300 spread.
Fuck it,
So if I sell for a $200 loss, chances are it's going to be a $500 loss.
Fuck it, I'll take some 106.25s, I guess, or 106.50s. I'll just grab a couple of them, I think. Let's go look at the one. Nah, I'm gonna, fuck, man. Next week better be good, man. I swear. I've been patient enough, man. Amazon 106.33, channel up. What is that? That's 50% of the gap, y'all. 106.25. You guys know the rules. Tesla. Dude, every time people spam the chat with one ticker, it makes me not want to look at that ticker, dude. Like, just not, yeah. Quad witching for you. Yes.
Trade after because to me right now, Tesla is rejecting a 50% bid and the 50-day. So right now, I would be shorting Tesla instead of longing Tesla. I don't know if this makes sense. You have to have rationality for your trade that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, the trade doesn't make sense. That's simple. You still inspired on this?
No, I took profit.
I think 368.70. That little resistance that it was making on the 3-minute, if it holds it, then it's gonna probably push up again.
Watch it bounce on Amazon at 105.25. Look at this mess, y'all. Oh, look at that pullback. There it is. Yeah, once we hit that 105.50, 105.25, I might bounce it, but we're up against yesterday's open, 275.86. So, I mean, we could really below 274 again. We could see a, yeah, if you took Amazon, I mean, that one was pretty nice. Oh, there it is. You know what? You know which one wasn't nice? Facebook. There it is. Now it's moving. All right. If you're in meta, it's wick filling here. It seems like there's only scalps here.
No, that's all there is, Gary. You know how this day goes.
Yeah, man, I don't want to sit here and scalp, dude. So unnatural to me.
BRB.
Guys, just an example. That's how price action builds. We turn resistance into support, and then we build on our resistance, and then we turn it into support again.
Damn, dude, you took Tesla? You?
No, SPY.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right there. What is that? 655? Dude, look.
Trade if it rejects for real here, and remember, Tesla chomps before it does anything. So if it really rejects that level, which is that 50 fib and that 50-day, then we're gonna trade into our 20-day, which will be a 10-point move down. Because again, that's how price action works. It has to go retest. You don't get anything out of giant green candles that don't have a retest. You just get FOMO, not a trade. FOMO and a trade are two different things.
Yeah. Yo.
As a spoiler from short, just weekend that high.
I'm not doing this. Nope. Nope. I'm dying right now. This meta price action is hilarious, dude. They knew I was here today. All other stocks moved. Except for meta. That was a beautiful, beautiful. You're a Tesla wizard, dude. Tesla lizard. Yeah, I mean, it's tempting to short it now, but nah, I'm good. Amazon pulled back, like I said, right there. Oh my God. Oh my.
Look at all these Tesla.
Yo, buy 369.68. It's gonna be real interesting.
Yeah. Dude, you guys have heard me say, what is my favorite reversal candlesticks?
The doji.
No,
The hammer, yeah, the hammer, dude.
the top literally like inverse it, bro. Just
All right, all right, all right. If you all want me to take a look, sorry, go ahead.
fine. Yeah. I think it's fine.
Watch the bounce here, y'all. There it is. Look at the bounce. Look at the bounce on Tesla, 655.50. Amazon bounce was 105.25. Everything bounced. 10 a.m. reversal on Tesla.
Yeah, always, dude. Always.
Well,
Yeah.
are we really about to reverse and dump though? I think we're pulling back, but I don't know about dumping. I don't know. Now, I mean, we're looking. Okay, we did have a hammer on Amazon's 5 too. I'm happy to look at whatever y'all want, but as you can tell, not my day.
Dude, like,
I didn't lose or make anything. My swing was okay, and then
it's funny. Every day. And one time when you donate back to him, what belongs to him? No, bro, don't forget about that shit.
Oh, good.
I would.
I don't like dude, Garrett is like the biggest transfer of wealth I have ever seen, and then he feels bad if he like donates some of it back. Bro, you're just being a good guy, bro. You're writing off your taxes.
That's right. Yeah, it's for taxes. It's a tribute, you know. No, I don't, but I did, and it hurt.
Thanks, you can avoid death and taxes. Welcome to America.
You can avoid taxes. You just gotta go like Antarctica and you know,
If it's a big enough bill, they'll come for you wherever you are.
I'm going to space. No, I'm just kidding. I had a feeling that taxation is theft. I had a feeling that was coming. From you.
Didn't I say that?
No, it's libertarian Mac, but it's black hole of analysis right now. He's going through a phase. Um, I was just messing with you. T-Mobile is looking like it's giving you a retest. I'd actually watch for a potential leg down from here. I did call it down to 125. It is kind of bottoming, but this is easily reversed. If it is bottoming out and communications move up today, T-Mobile has 130.45 and 133.15 as some gaps above it. Now Facebook looks like a pullback play now, but
All right, guys. Keep in mind.
tax me into space.
We're at 367.41. The almost the bottom of the fire candle's body.
I tried to get Ellie on camera. I said the S&P, and I was trying to explain stocks to AO a little bit more. Occasionally, whenever he asks, I'm like I just unload on him. I'm like, yeah, everything. But Ellie was like, you know, she likes to hang around when I'm doing that kind of stuff. And I said the S&P, and she said the S and poopy. And I wanted to get her to say it again so I could get it on camera, but then she refused. So I love her. She's the best. Accurate market predictions from 3-year-old. It's good for the investment.
Congrats on that Tesla reject. I hope the guy on TikTok that kept blowing up your chat, I hope he took the short. If you did, congrats. Welcome to taking a short at the top. It feels great and it's addicting.
I mean, so far, Ellie this year has had 100% hit rate. Yeah, yeah. Maybe I started an account. The hamster beat, yeah, the hamster outperformed the S&P, dude.
It's like outperforming your retirement.
I bet that hamster knows how to take profit better than some people. Dude, Seventh Apprentice is always on point with those little cute emojis. I wish I was a hamster. I don't think so. You know how that hamsters, like all hamsters, die in the most horrific ways. They just can't keel over. They just crawl into tubes, into pipes, ditches. They get eaten by something. It's a reversal pattern. Reversal pattern. Oh, damn! Look at Baba. Oh my God! Did anybody take that Baba short off my level? Yuck. That's money, dude. Yeah, you could probably see Amazon up from here. I see the bounces happening. It would be the 105. I still have that target to the upside at least 50% of the gap fill. It's 106.30, but that's a abandoned Harambe. My mom accidentally killed my hamster when I was little. She put them outside to clean the house and forgot them. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying, dude. They just don't die normally. They're always like, it's like a tragic, something tragic, dude.
Aggregate demand zone. You're on the 5. Remember, Alex, what I told you. Bigger time frames.
Meta is just stupid at the moment. Right now, it looks like it's going up first, and if it hits this resistance again, 164, I will probably short it now. I might make my money back, but we'll take what the market gives us. What? Oh my God, dude! Holy cannoli! Is that how you got your name?
Right? We don't use small time frames when we're looking at the current session. You get what I mean? If it would bounce or reject, I like to use the 3 minute because it'll give more data than the 5 minute would.
I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad that I wasn't able to participate in Baba. I had a feeling that I should keep it up, but
yeah.
Best days.
But it's not for the you'll see supply whatnot.
No, I'm not taking it yet. Once it shows me that it's going to reverse. Right now, Meta, I picked the most difficult stock to trade today, I swear. Go find me another stock that looks like this shit. This looks terrible. Either it's holding a divergence, but it's holding a divergence from both sides. It doesn't want to go anywhere. So maybe it's going to wait for the end of the day and hit the dumpy. Because I can't see us ripping all day into the 3-day weekend. And if we do, then I bet we gap down. But
Goes 1732. Yeah.
Meta plan, Mike. Yeah, don't take it personally. Mark Zuckerberg, he wants his money back, I guess, today. Nice bounce on Meta on Amazon if anybody's in on that. I don't know if anybody took that bounce. That was sweet. Damn. No, I'll be honest with you guys. I feel slighted, even though Manny's speech helped me feel better, and I'm refraining from trading until I see something clear. And so, like me taking a bounce on Amazon, yeah, like I'm not Yeah, nah, I'm gonna stick to what I see right now, and I still think that there's the potential. What consolidates must move. So unless it's Walmart or AMD 2 years ago, but uh, yeah, so I'll take it if it breaks. And it looks like it's heading down right now, but it never really gave us a second wind or a third wind here. So until we legitimately break down around the 162.22, I'll take that same put, and then at that point, I think we could see a decent flush down to 158.
Ron, you're gonna uh,
What was the, what was
But
that?
I would rather see it react like 650, 652, more or less, that little zone, that little 2 point zone. I would want to see that get held before taking a long, because if you can take it here and then it can just go retest it.
Bubble will
And then,
probably not move anymore today. Sorry.
but in terms of those, a lot of things that I should do.
Breaks curfew. Doesn't respect his parents. It's Roku. What happened? Dude, why didn't I take my own damn play? It is going to 75.80, and I'm damn near about to take a put on it right now. I called that, dude. I called that from a mile away. I'm a little disappointed.
Somebody break yesterday's lows.
Emotional, damn it.
No, that AMD's current price is emotional damage.
He said, "Tell me the way, lizard." I'll wait maybe till the end of the day.
But if you swing AMD those, can you let me know?
Yes. Yeah, no, it's gliding down this support right now.
Yo, what the fuck? Go look at AMD's strike for the 81s for next week.
Was the OI out of control?
The cost side, it has zero open interest.
Damn, I'm gonna buy one just for the hell of it.
The bid, that's the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. Not more than that. More weird than
Oh my. Dude, look at that. Yeah, the $81 strike.
that. That's weird, right?
That is weird. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, you never see that. That's crazy.
What? They left it out.
Do I think Meta is gonna go down? I think it's gonna pop up here one more time. And I mean shit, maybe it squeezes. Maybe it pops up and gives you a rip up to the gap. It's the only one that hasn't. And it would probably go to 165, maybe even a little bit further, but I don't know what it's waiting for. I have it inside of this channel using daily support. So, I mean, honestly, if we stay up here, I might swing like a risky, cheap, light position, but I'm trying to just watch, but right now everything is poopy.
Oh my god, yeah, the bid is here on the 80 strike.
Wow.
And, oh, dude, yeah. Be careful touching AMD with options, especially next week's.
Dude,
This week, yeah, dude, what the fuck? 81 DTE. The bid is 197 and the ask is 180.
have they abandoned the stock?
Well, you guys at least with options.
Look at the bid in the look at the spread on the $80 puts for June 24th. It's pretty wide for AMD, yeah, and then it tightens up immediately afterwards.
Yeah.
No, that may just be because of quad witching.
The stocks are so.
Halted? Do we halt? I don't know. Hmm. Yeah, sure.
A perfect example of like, the clouds, man. Perfect example. By the way, I have a question.
Yes.
If I can get you guys the script for an indicator, can somebody like make it my script? Because I'm scared that they're gonna rug the clouds that I use. Because I know the guy who made him, he's a bit of a D word. So I just need to know how to back up.
Um, 15-minute inverted hammer on Tesla. That's off the 500 HMA, and I would say that underneath 650.50, same level as before, 650.50 and 645. That would be the 50% mark of the pop, and then I would expect a pullback from there. But right now, it could be technically building underneath that resistance of 665, and then go today and hit that 670s. So, oof. Is AMD a gamma squeeze candidate? Okay.
I'm sorry, anyways. I need you to make that. Sorry, guys.
Just send me the script. I can do it, bro.
All right, let me try to get the script. It's fine.
You guys want to go watch some paint dry? Something?
Yeah.
I'm painting my house when I get back.
That's so fun. Go straight nose dive.
What color?
A lot of different colors. You guys know me. Probably green and yellow. No, just kidding.
Oh my god.
I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. No, I'm not. No, my favorite colors are black and gold. No, they're not black and gold. They're black and yellow.
Yeah, the only grade is Goog. L.
Spider looks like it's going for no day.
AMD busted. And that's support.
Oh, my guess is as good as yours at the moment. I am waiting for key levels to break. I'm watching Meta right now. It's got so much underneath it. I mean, if you want to get into a
Stay away from that. Guys, stay away from that. It's so funny to say.
I would
Already in, bro.
You're what contract did you
Expiring the 20th.
buy? Wow, holy. Five.
dude, this is dude, this is exactly yeah, my favorite football team used to be the Saints. Um yeah, I said it before the bell. And I should have I mean, I haven't done anything bad, but like, I didn't want to. This is just terrible to watch, especially looking at Meta. Meta's the worst. Everything else, Tesla did okay, Amazon did pretty good, but Frog.
No, I
Oh,
said Rob.
wow. Remember Frog? We used to trade that stock. Is that thing gonna squeeze? Damn. Price just ain't even updating. What if they just halt it down? What if this is... No, I was talking about the whole market. I'm just joking. Hal says printing cash is immoral. I'm just joking. You remember when you remember at the top when they all said that they shouldn't be trading stocks because that's immoral, and they basically called the top after
Next week, contracts are doing that. For Tesla at the open, and while Tesla was sort of rejecting and fluctuating, when it rejected that like 650 level that you could have gotten that short into like 642, nothing, like it didn't move, and the spread actually widened. Max, your strike was fine. Here's the thing, your strike was fine. It was too out the money for 0 to E, my preference. Personally, I wouldn't, just me, I don't like trading 0 to E's on Tesla, especially on a day like today. So I wouldn't trade it next week. The first thing, and then second.
I don't know about...
You get what I mean?
Yeah, watch for a bounce on Meta 160, 170. If anybody's still in those puts.
But your trade was good, dude. You cashed out like out of scalp for what? Like over 100% gain? Oh no, you didn't. Okay, hold on. I was looking at the commissions. I'm sorry.
Yeah, there's something going on with options contracts.
This is across the brokers.
Yeah, this is not. It's going to take
Price.
Fidelity and.
Yeah, many brokers are having issues with option spreads right now, and the bid is above the ask price. Dude, I see Nvidia going all the way down to fucking 135. Excuse my language. I really do. Like looking at it right now, I feel the same way. This thing looks like it's about to like dump. I kind of want to take a leap down to the 130s.
Oh, okay. So Max, yeah, no, your issue was your 0 to E's. They lost value, and they didn't move. They were too out the money for 0 to E's.
Stepper, are you in Meta? You're in Nvidia?
Are you guys getting this? My contract's not moving for SPY either.
Dude, nothing's moving. I just went to fill. Dude, I was in profit and I filled, and it filled me for a loss. I went from being up 400 to being down 375.
Yeah, hey, I'm gonna politely excuse myself if you guys want me to take a listen of charts. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna look at this Meta put. I think I might take a Meta like leap, or not a Meta, Nvidia leap with what was Roman gonna call first of all? Are you trying to get puts too?
Wow, holy shit, SPY dropping, dude. Like this, what? Like I'm doing a nice trade. I took a fill as a function.
Wow, dude, this is fucking insane. Excuse my language, insane. Dude.
Ah, nice. That's not the H plane.
130s are only 167 step. July 8th. I'll try to get filled. Nothing. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go further. October, September, August 19th. 130s are... Oh my God. Yeah, dude. Wow. That's why I just remove myself from the situation quickly. Yeah, be careful. If you're in Meta, you're about to move into this gap. You could possibly add, if they'll let you, below 161.40. I still have this one dumping pretty hard if it does continue to fall. So I'm gonna slide in a few of those really quick.
I'm at 364 on SPY. That's gonna be a deciding level because that was yesterday's low. We have S1 at 363.51. So if things get bumpy, don't be surprised. If things start just flushing, wow.
Yo, Stepper, I'm gonna July 29th, 115s. I'm not trying to put a lot on the table right now. You could do 130s. The strike's actually better, but it's 370 on that premium. So you could do 120s, compromise. But I think I'm gonna do that one. Oh wow, look where Meta just bounced. Right there at 161.48. Watch for a retest of 162.30. This was my trade. Holy what? Oh my God. All right. Y'all, I think I don't think I'm not.
The spread was wonky.
I'm watching it right now, dude. Yeah, it is weird. It's like splitting right now. Yeah, no, I'm not going to.
So $400 in the market filled and then down.
That's nuts.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch
Bond watching, baby.
SPY 365.44.
Yo, listen to look at what Blender just wrote.
Well,
This news just hit. Guys, stop posting stuff. Let people read what Blender wrote.
Please be aware that there are issues with option chains on all major brokerage. Please don't get into new trades before this issue is resolved. BOX, Emerald, Gemini, CBOE, CBO2, NASDAQ, Pearl, PSU traders, be advised, currently investigating an issue with the U.S. consolidated options market. Okay.
If I route directly to NASDAQ, would it go through?
Yeah. But you're still gonna get the wrong prices. That's why I got screwed on with Phil, dude.
I wonder if you can call your broker.
No, I think
Yeah.
it's like because I really am. I'm not gonna get scammed and upsetting all this.
Dude, I was up 1,400. Ended up losing 670. Guys, I said it before. I don't know. I didn't know that was going to happen, but man, I just should listen to my gut. But whatever. I mean, I didn't take a big L or anything today, so it's not a big deal. Just more disappointing that all the other stocks except for Meta moved. And then, of course, options. Yeah, straight. So don't put your money in a market where you probably are going to lose it right now. If you don't want to, you can just move into cash. I'm out. I am out. All right. I'm not playing games. They're not taking my money. I've had a great month. I want to continue to have a great month. I'm about to go to Universal. Damn it. I just want to have a good month. SEC probably already left the office. Up 3K on Tesla.
Yeah, when you go to fill data feed, please do not market sell and trim out of your position. Trim out of your position. Right.
Just try to add me on Fortnite.
No fucking way. What the?
Oh, rode Tesla from 674. All right. Well, yeah, Citadel controls half the options market. He said if you're gonna squeeze AMC, I'm gonna squeeze everybody. Not just kidding. Who is Nanita? Oh my God, dude. What? Who's okay? My computer's losing its mind. That was weird. Kenny G just hacked my computer. No, I had like Fortnite friend requests fly all over the side of my screen. It was weird. Oh yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you can either just, well, alrighty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take that as a sign. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I wish you guys the best of luck. I am not going to entertain a day like this where, yeah, like everything is increasing in likelihood. If you're holding Facebook puts, or if anybody still has those, this one could see a sizable dump. I still have this one for the gap fill, which happens now, but this one below 159.75 could dump even further to 158. So if contracts straighten out, I may take that later on in the day, but right now I'm going to exclude myself from the madness. So. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good day. Quad witching sucks. I'll leave the stream up. Yeah, walk away, walk away. I'm gonna go make a quick TikTok on this. What? I'm gonna make a TikTok or YouTube video, both of them on this, just a warning. Yeah, no problem, and I'm glad we know that now. So, time. You know how many people think I'm 21 years old? That actually, I didn't think that. Yeah, I didn't really think that people really believe that.
Yeah, that's strange.
My,
How does he look 21?
yeah, my hit doesn't feel
He
21.
looks about as old as my grandfather.
18, damn. Yeah, I can't. I can't grow a beard, dude. I think I can't. Yeah, I tried really hard. Yeah, Meta's dumping right now. I'm not even gonna share, like, if I get into like like it's literally like one of those days where I don't want anybody to lose money. So if you feel like whatever risk you take, you're gonna, obviously you need to set up a plan for yourself. But you guys can see, even, I mean, price action's not bad on Meta now, but we know what we're dealing with. So anyway, do I have any gray hairs? No. Rub a potato on your face. You heard that yesterday. Yeah, my stepdad hit me with that one, and it hurt. It didn't feel good. Should threw the potato at him. All right, guys. Have a good one. Peace. Holy shit. Damn, that's crazy.